out to XRP. So we're testing the Black Ghost. We got to get it dialed in before we can start racing it. I can tell you that it's running really, really good now. We tried the 5 pounds of boost, but something wasn't working with that. But I think we're going to get that all sorted out today. Then we can start getting some racing. And I think I'm going to grudge it. I got a lot of grudge guys that want to race me in it, and the turbos hit different. So let me get dressed, get in the staging lanes, and we'll start tuning it up.
Today, and the AC in my car just quit blowing cold.
Second gear, went straight to third. All right, guys, so we made some adjustments on the transbrake, and it's definitely bumping in now when we get the pump on. So we're gonna go up to the line and give it a shot and see how it goes, and hopefully that gets us where we need to be.
Bully went up that motherfucker that y'all knew did so bad and showed his fucking ass. But see your Larry a week now. No, Larry was good. He just had a problem over the weekend. You know, I want to hear that. What is all this, man? I ain't never seen that. Hey! Demonology! When y'all see it, Boostane, Octane. Y'all scary at one quick. Oh, man. Man, going on. What's going on? Hey, y'all gonna respect us one day. Man, only reason why your car working, you know, because you got Hoosiers on it. If y'all ever put hard tires on it like we do, man, ain't nobody run no fucking hard tires. That's what I'm saying. Bro, y'all, listen, y'all got, hey, what's up? Hold on. What you think about that dude, FYB? You gonna race him in that big ass dump he got? Who that? Bruce? Yeah, Bruce. You race him? Whole front cap, come on. No, we ain't gonna talk about all of that. Your whole back seat inside, man, man, look at that, right? Only thing actually, that is the hole in the floor, y'all. Hey, no, that's the fucking lap. Hey, man.
right, guys, check it out. I lined up against Cole with his front engine dragster with a small block, 400 small block, all natural aspirated.
It's running on alcohol, but that's about it.
Well, hey man, let's go check it out, man. I wanna see this car. Yeah. You know, my cousin, he bracket races a rear engine dragster.
No way.
Yes. What's up, Pepper Grudge? Hey man, we just so happened to line up together. I was thinking, oh my goodness, this dragster's gonna fly. Is this it right here?
Yeah.
Oh man, it's beautiful.
No, were you spraying on that one?
Nope.
You weren't?
Nope.
The 400 small block. And I mean, we got what is it, 125 up front for the weight?
No, we only got about 20 pounds.
Never mind, 20 pounds.
20 pounds?
20 pounds up front.
20
and a fire extinguisher, and then a running battery up front.
Oh, so it's all natural. Naturally aspirated. You just heads up. Well, man, I'm glad you didn't turn it up on me.
Listen, I rolled up next to you. I was like, oh God, I'm about to get absolutely walked on that one.
No. Well, first of all, how much does she weigh?
Where are we at weight-wise?
1560. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That is lightweight.
Yeah.
Hey, so what do you call it?
1.6.
Okay.
It used to be a blower car.
Oh, it used to be a blower car.
Yeah.
I was wondering why. Hey man, do you have a YouTube channel or Instagram? What about Instagram? No social media.
I got a Snapchat.
You got a Snap? Hey man, tell everybody your Snapchat. Y'all, his woman won't let him have a social media.
It's Little Blue 4.8.
Little Blue 4.8. Hey man, start you an Instagram and a YouTube channel. All right, brother.
Yes, sir.
Nice to meet you. With a turbo, the power is there. It's crazy power. I mean, I'm just impressed. We'll be back next week to get it dialed in. I'm glad we got the bump dialed in, and I'm ready to do it, man. It is looking good. HPT turbos to the front.
Hey guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and also click the bell. Check out the videos up at the top, and if you get a chance, check out our merch store. Peace.